There you go. All right. I'm here with my friend Seth, and we're going to look at his house and look at his ceiling fan. First, we're going to start out here in the living room. What kind of brand is it?
Oh, it's
I can't tell. There's a name on it. Let's see. I wonder. This might be a Casablanca. I guess this is an unknown fan. All right.
unknown.
All right. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Start with low minute, and we'll turn on medium, and then high. We'll turn it off.
Huh?
That's a weird sound.
Yeah.
Very nice. It does wobble. What happened to one of the globes? Were they missing or they broke?
They're missing.
You gotta be careful. You don't want to stick your finger in there. You'll get shocked.
No.
Right. All right. Oops. Sorry. Luckily I didn't get shocked. That'd be bad.
Yeah.
Let's turn it up to medium.
Yeah.
Well, it feels good. Now here comes high. That's a little annoying. There's a reverse switch. Just you gotta be careful with that. I'm gonna show you the reverse switch for a second. Oops, sorry about that. There we go. I think this is a Casablanca unknown ceiling fan. Who knows? Alright. So there you go. There you go. So this has been a 52-inch unknown ceiling fan here at a friend of mine's house. So I'll go ahead and blades are really nice. So alright. Now stay tuned for part 2. Until then, that's it.